Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. This is your second period of GK. Okay, so as you know that we have completed chapter 1, Solve the Maze. And so today we will do chapter 2, that is Animal Kingdom, that is given on page number 8 in your GK book. So now I would request everyone to take out your GK book and a pencil. Students, here now let's read what is given here. How well do you know the animal world? To find out, choose the correct options to answer the following questions. Here we have to tick the correct answer. I have already done all the questions. Now in this video I will explain all these questions, okay, with explanation. So the question number 1 is, which of these refers to a layer of fat that helps animals such as walruses, seals, and penguins keep warm? So, students, the answer is option number C, blubber. Okay. So, can you tell me what is blubber? Okay, blubber is a material, a fat, we can say a fat that present in body of fishes and birds found in the Arctic region and very cold region. These walruses, seals and penguins are found in the Arctic region where more than 9 months, or we can say all the 12 months, there are winter, and the rivers are always frozen with ice. So, due to very cold temperature or very cold weather, these birds and fishes can keep warm themselves. How do they keep themselves warm? They keep themselves warm by having this fat that inside their bodies, okay? And it is called as fat. So, second question is, which of these is a cold-blooded animal? Students, in the previous videos, I have told you that what are cold-blooded animal. Okay, so correct option is option A, frog. I told you that there are two types of animal, that is cold-blooded animal and second is warm-blooded animal. So frog is a cold-blooded animal. Question number 3 is, which of these is not really a bear? Students, sun bear, sorry, option number C is the correct answer, koala bear. Students, remember it, here we can see right bear, but in actually it is not a bear, okay. Fourth is, which member of the big cat family has species called the Indian and the Siberian? So correct option will be A, tiger. Tiger has species called Indian and Siberian tiger. Okay. Now next question number 5. Which of these animals is an omnivore? So the correct option is option A, bear. Omnivore means animals which eat both flesh and vegetables or vegetarian food. So the bear is a animal, is a omnivore because bear eat both flesh and vegetarian food like honey. Okay, so it is the correct answer. Now question number 6 is, many animals deal with the harshness of winter by becoming dormant or inactive. This long sleep is called dash. Uh, uh, so the correct option is A, hibernation. Now students, can you tell me what is hibernation? Okay. Hibernation means when animals go for a long sleep, uh, and we can say hibernation means the long term sleep. This is found in the case of bear and some more animals also. During the harsh winter months, many animals have adapted a special way to surviving the frigid temperatures. Hibernation means animals that hibernate have a unique way of slowing down their body functions so they can essentially sleep away the winter months. Okay, so it is called as hibernation. Next question is number 7. Which of the following type of mammals lay eggs instead of giving birth? Uh, so option number B is the correct answer. Option number B is the correct answer, monotremes. So these are mammals but they lay eggs. Okay, mammals means the animal which give birth to their young ones. For example, cow, dog, cat. Okay, so monotremes is a mammal but it doesn't give birth to young ones. It lays eggs. Okay, instead of giving birth. So now question number 8. How do bees the mosquitoes create a loud buzzing noise? So correct option B, beating of wings. Okay. They continuously flying so their wings are always stepping each other. There is a sound produced by wings. That sound is called as buzzing sound. Okay, so correct option will be beating of wings. Okay, that's all students. Thank you and have a nice day.